Hello, my name is Iannone, and my wife Mary and I work at Taussig Cancer Institute at the Cleveland Clinic. We provide complementary medicine services within the patient and family support services area. Today, we would like to share a very short demonstration of how you can use Reiki and meditation together as a way to promote peace, calm, and healing in your life. First of all, we'd like to celebrate you, your family members, as survivors of cancer and what this entire celebration is about. So we'd like to start by a few definitions. Reiki is a gentle touch relaxation therapy that started in Japan and came to the United States many years ago and has been used for about 50 or 60 years in healthcare. Meditation is a relaxation technique, and it also is a technique to promote insight, awareness, and mindfulness. The two can be used together as a way to increase peace and calm in your life. So what I'd invite you to do today is to follow along with this exercise and to do the different positions that I do, and hopefully that will bring you some relaxation during this experience. But let's just start by closing our eyes, and let's bring our attention to our breath and how the breath feels in the nostril of our nose. How each in-breath feels cool and how each out-breath feels warm. So let's just keep our attention on our breath for a moment. Feel the breath. The breath is accessible to us in each moment. The breath, along with our heartbeat, are constant reminders that we are alive. The breath provides us with the perfect object for meditation. Allow yourself to relax. Take a couple deeper breaths. Let the fresh air fill your lungs. Release any tension you may feel in your body. We're only going to do 4 of the Reiki hand positions in today's session. Let's start with the eyes. Just gently cup your hands over your eyes like this. Keep your eyes closed. And feel how your hands bring relaxation to your eyes and face area. Just easy breaths in and out. As best you can, keep your attention focused on how your hands feel on your face. Thoughts may arise and fall. Just acknowledge them and bring the attention back to how your hands feel. Next, let's move to the ear position, just like this. Gently cup your hands over your ears. Again, bring your attention to how your hands feel over your ears and how they make you feel relaxed and peaceful. Again, just easy breaths in and out. Next, we'll move to the throat position, just like this. Gently cup your hands under your throat. Allow their touch to promote relaxation. Easy breaths in and out. Feel the warmth of your hands. Your own touch activates your natural healing abilities, helping to balance your mind and body. Next, let's move to the heart position at the center of the chest, just like this. Take a deeper breath or two. Again, releasing any stress or tension. Allow your mind to be free of thoughts. Your only concern is how your hands feel on your heart, and how they make you feel peaceful and relaxed. We encourage our patients to use these techniques at home. If you have difficulty sleeping at night, these positions can really help focus your attention on relaxation and not worry, and not to feel stressful. This is a form of self-care, of you caring for yourself. The techniques are simple. The more that you use them, the more effective they become in terms of bringing peace, calm, and relaxation into your life. My wife, Mary, and I are here for you. You can reach us at the Cleveland Clinic. We'd be happy to see you. If you're in chemotherapy or radiation, basically let us know and use the contact information that's on the screen here. And we'd be happy to set up an appointment with you. And to the extent that we can, we also work with family members in helping them to find peace and calm using these techniques and others. So as we close this very brief session, let us send gratitude and compassion to ourselves and to each other and to our family members, friends, and others that are significant in our lives. And let us give thanks for the gift of life. We give thanks for you, and we're glad that we can be of help to you at the Cleveland Clinic and look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you very much.